what we are aiming to do is produce a novel type of marine ingredient for the poultry industry. We are on St Andrews University campus.
We're taking part in a 2-year trial looking at alternatives to fish meal for protein sources in the monogastric diets. The main idea of the project is to try and make a protein-rich product in the Artemia, which is then used to replace other products in the market that are hard to get hold of or have a lot of mileage on them and carbon footprint.
The problem that there is that we have maxed out this diet 40 years ago. However, the amount of animal feed that needs to be made every year keeps on increasing. The aquaculture sector is forecast to double in the next 30 to 40 years. Where are those marine ingredients going to come from? We cannot get more out of the ocean than what we are currently getting. So what Aquanzo is doing is that we are transitioning those marine ingredients from harvesting, so from wild open ocean fisheries, to farming. We are hatching the Artemia, those tiny marine zooplankton, on land. We are then feeding them with agricultural byproducts and transform them into high-value, nutrient-rich product for the animal feed industry.
So we're working on this Innovate UK funded project with Aquanzo as the lead partner and SRUC as one of the trialling and technical leads. They are the specialists in their fields. So the Agri-Tech Centre, we are working on project management and dissemination for the project, along with technical support looking at feedstuffs.
SRUC contributes through its poultry research facility and expertise. Together with my colleague Marwa Hussain, we are involved in this project to look at the nutritional value of this novel product that we call Artemeal. What this project hopes to do is to bring back the benefits of fishmeal without having the economic and sustainable burden of fishmeal.
From the start of the project, we've really learned a lot.
From an SRUC perspective, our contribution at the first part was looking at existing evidence in the literature around Artemeal. Nobody in the last 40 years has done any work on Artemeal.
So we chose Artemia because they are warm water organisms and they grow really fast. So a standard farming cycle is only under a couple of weeks, from hatching to harvest. Within this time, the Artemia grow over 100 times in weight, and then they are harvested and they are dried and ground into a powder. We then send it to SRUC. So over the next year, we are going to run those trials.
And the poultry trials are a combination of determining the nutritional value in digestibility work and the growth response of the chickens, and also looking at aspects of gut health.
We are able to produce locally using local agricultural byproduct, a resource that would need to be imported.
We're using 2 byproducts. We're using pot ale, which is obviously a byproduct of the whisky and beer industries. We're also using biscuit meal, but it's broken biscuits that cannot be packaged, so they're broken in the manufacturing process. And in that 2 years, we should become commercially viable with the product to then take it to the commercial market and sell it to farmers.
We have industry partners that are very interested in the result of those trials.
Once we have some of our first data, which are hopefully showing some very exciting opportunities, we can liaise directly with some contacts in the feed industry in order to make them aware of this potential new commodity. And it therefore is a great excitement to see if a component like this can help to reduce our reliance on veterinary intervention, can help to reduce the reliance on drugs that otherwise would increase the rate of antimicrobial resistance. And so it is a bigger component than just animal nutrition.
For more information, visit our website and have a look out for our next video when we're further through the project.